Hey everyone, it's another beautiful day and welcome to the Amazing Ed School. And today actually I will be discussing about the great event, which is also the great shift or the great conjunction, which is going to take place on December 21st, 2020. This was meant to happen actually. It's part of the transformation of planet Earth. So this powerful shift is going to change a lot in this lifetime of humankind actually. And this shift that is going to take place actually is going to be Jupiter and Saturn will be in alignment. Jupiter and Saturn will actually be in alignment. It's also called the Great Conjunction. And the last time this happened was the 1640. This was before Galileo even created telescope, and this was very long time ago. And before this kind of event can take place again will be the year 2180. This is so amazing actually, so amazing. Usually it signifies the great shift in energy. Jupiter and Saturn signifies beginning and the end. So if you have been on this path, actually it's gonna be a new beginning for you. So it's really gonna be fun for you because you have been doing the work, you've been putting in the work, you've been trying to raise the consciousness of humankind, even regardless of what people have been saying about you, regardless of what you think is going on around you, but you'll be following your truth, putting in the work. So you're going to experience a huge expansion of consciousness on this event. Actually, it's happening already because time is just an illusion. Time is an illusion. It's going to be real. And we are going to experience this. And for you who have been putting in the work, trying to help humanity with what you have, and because you wake up to the truth, and it's time for you to level up because a lot of people will need the help. A lot of people will need our help. People will now go to the internet and start asking questions, seeking for advice. A lot of people might find themselves lost because this energy is going to really transform the world. It's going to affect everyone, no matter who you are, even the animals, the plants, and everything. It's going to affect the whole planet. And with that being said, every planet affects the mood of each individual. All the planets that you see around the galaxies, every planet affects us. And the planet always shift and move. And every planet moves. They actually go on cycle. And when they move, they displace energy. And those energy affect us as human beings. Every planet that you can see out there affect us as human beings actually. And this is real because we are connected. Everything is actually connected. We are connected. There is no separation between us and the animals. There's no separation between the humans. There's no separation between us and the planet, even the heavens, whatsoever you want to say. God himself is connected to us. God is connected to everything. If God is connected to us, God our creator, then what do you think about we humans? We are also connected because God is our creator. So this is what people need to know about. Everything is connected. So whenever something is happening or affecting the planet or affecting other planets, those energy also affect us because we are connected to those planets. Because why? Everything is energy and everything is connected to everything. There's no separation. This is what people need to know about. So with that being said, what does the great conjunction actually means? It means a new beginning. It's time to let go of the past and embrace the new. So this is what I say at the beginning of the video. It's time for us to let go of the past. We all have things that we are holding on to. Me, myself, I'm not perfect. And God is not expecting us to be perfect. Actually, you know what I'm saying? God is not expecting us to follow the 10 commandments. You know what I'm saying? So because God is not even having that expectation for us to be perfect. God knows that we are here to learn. That is why He created this planet for us. Because this planet is where we can feel emotions and grow quickly. We can learn quickly. So everything that is happening right now on the planet, I'm not judging anything. I'm not judging the government. I'm not judging the cabal. You know, I believe I used to do that in the past, but I found out that everything is just working for the good of humanity, because a time will come whereby this planet will transform and everyone will start to feel the positive result of all the negative things that have been going on. Because before something can become perfect, or before something can go through some peace, they have to be chaos and all those stuff. Because through those chaos, that is where lessons will be learned. Humans are going to learn their lessons. So humans are going to find out the truth and now focus on the true reality of life. It's time for you to level up your game. It's time for you to level up your game and focus on the things that you want in your life. Focus on the things, visualize them, and see the things that you want. And it's time for us to take our meditation so serious. The things you want, focus on them, because this new energy is going to produce a lot of positive results for us. So if we let go of the old, we are going to embrace the new perfect peace and freedom and prosperity that is going to come in place. And if you have been on this journey, this is what you're going to benefit. This is what you're going to benefit, definitely. And for people who are still asleep right now, they will start to wake up to the truth. Most people might find themselves lost. Most people might find to do some strange things. So they will need people like us, to guide them and encourage them and place them on the path that we have been from the beginning, from years ago. You know what I'm saying? And that is what the Great Conjunction actually is. The Great Conjunction, which is the great shift, actually means the shift of consciousness. It's going to be a powerful shift that is going to happen within us, because Jupiter and Saturn, they are both going to be in alignment. Jupiter and Saturn will be in alignment, and this doesn't happen frequently actually. So it happens once in a while, And so guys, this is what the great shift actually means. December 21st, 2020, they are going to be a very huge shift of consciousness that's going to take place in this planet. So get ready, guys. Let go of the old, focus on the new. For me, I'm starting to plan the new life for myself, and I'm starting to let go of some certain things. I'm now letting go of some certain things, letting go of some kind of lifestyle. Though things that I'm still holding on to, I'm gonna let them go, because I don't want to joke with my life. I don't want to joke with my soul mission. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you in another message. Thanks to my new subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are beautiful, and I hope you've been inspired today. So get ready. So when you start to feel some kind of emotions and you start to see yourself feeling some way, asking questions and finding yourself lost, don't be surprised. A shift has just took place, because this shift is forcing humanity to go within, to find our peace, and to let go of all the programming and all the conditioning that we've had. Because this new energy is going to bring us a new life. We don't know what it's going to be like. This is like going into the unknown. We don't know, but we're going to find out. And how we're going to find out is when we accept and focus on the new. So have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Bless.